Sa mga oras po ito, dako muna tayo sa Palasyo ng Malacanang para po sa mga mahalagang balita doon. Nakatutok doon ang aming kasamang si Elena Luna, mag-uulat ng live.
Maraming salamat, Kurt. Bila ng maulang panahon ay tuloy pa rin ang serbisyo publiko ng mga tanggapan ng pamahalaan. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, wala pang announcement kung hindi na magkakaroon ng pasok o suspendido na ang pasok sa mga tanggapan ng pamahalaan. Pero ayon sa kanya, kapag nairekomenda na ito ng Department of Science and Technology, ay agad niyang abisuhan ang mga tanggapan ng gobyerno. Sinabi rin kanina ni Secretary Lacerda na mainam na mag-monitor tayo sa social media para sa mga announcements.
We'll keep you updated on any weather conditions, and if there's any need for announcement, we'll make sure that we'll provide the necessary recommendations. Yesterday there was, on Monday, I think, Drea, I forgot to answer Drea's question. Bakit late na raw yung binigay na yung suspension order? There was a recommendation. We would only declare a suspension whenever there's a recommendation from the DOST. And so we will always rely on our scientists and our weather forecasters to give us a recommendation. As you know, we only to the public the decision and the recommendations provided for by DOST. We're very cognizant of the concerns of our citizens, and that's why we will exert our earnest efforts to really make sure that we update you. Itong ulan mamayang hapon, titinan po rin natin. We're asking them also kung ano ba ang kalagayan. So, we've asked the DOST. May nilalabas po silang malimit na by the way, meron kaming may konting commercial, ang tawag doon?
Infomercial?
Infomercial. Ang reporters may Viber chat. Ang Malacanang Official Gazette po na meron ko kaming public chat sa Viber para lang po doon po rin namin nilalabas yung mga weather reports. Maliban po sa sa nilalabas po ng Pag-asa, yung mga binibigay sa amin na text message ng Pag-asa. Official Gazette ang alam kong Viber chat. Bibigyan ko kayo ng sticker. Pero seriously, there's a Viber chat where you can, I think that's public, it's called a public chat group, no? We inform, like for instance, Yusek Balte informed the bulletin today, she posted in the public chat. So we will do so, we're taking advantage of the different platforms to inform the public on the goings on the weather situation, so ganun.
Sa briefing din kanina ay ipinaliwanag ni Secretary Lacerda kung bakit kailangan ng Pilipinas na kumuha ng dayuhang abogado para ipagtanggol ang ating kaso sa arbitral tribunal sa the Netherlands. Nagsimula na ang oral arguments para dito at ang napiling abogado ng Pilipinas ay nakabase sa Washington, D.C. sa pamumuno ni Paul Reichler.
We have the knowledge, but insofar as appearing before the International Tribunal, you get the best persons that you can hire for that. When you call on international arbitration, for instance, in other cases that the Philippine government has appeared before, we've always hired experts on those issues. It will be foolhardy for us not to hire experts on experience appearing before those tribunals. So we are putting our best foot forward, both international and domestic.
Samantala sa schedule naman ni Pangulong Aquino ngayong araw ay sa mga sandaling ito ay abala siya sa pagbubuo ng kanyang State of the Nation address kasama ang kanyang mga speechwriters. Magpahanggang ngayon, Kirby, ay tikom pa rin ang bibig ng mga tagapagsalita ng Pangulo sa lalamanin ng kanyang magiging huling sona.
Yung sa theme, hindi po namin pwedeng maaring sabihin po sa inyo, hintay na lang po natin ang huling State of the Nation address ng ating Pangulo. Alam na, we know the process of drafting the speeches. The president confers with his speechwriters, but the thoughts, the ideas all emanate from the president. So as to the developments, wouldn't you prefer that you see the final product rather than the work in progress? So let's wait for July 27, the fourth Monday of May, to see the final, to listen and witness a final State of the Nation address of President Benigno Aquino.
At yan, Kirby, ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako si Elena Luna para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Salamat sa iyo, Elena.